it's me here again, and welcome back to What the Flip. I know I've been missing for a while, but I'm back, maybe for a little while. I don't know for how long. But anyway, today I'm trying to make a platform bed. So I got this right here, this box spring. I got it for free from Facebook Market because this is broke, but I already fixed it. Like I got it for free. I bought this from Lowe's for like $1. And then I just cut it down and screwed it on. But I just saw this random clip on Pinterest of this guy making a platform bed out of a box spring. So I'm trying to do it. So what he used, I think he used curtains or some kind of fabric to staple it on the bottom of the box spring. And what I'm doing is, I bought a, what is it called? I bought a bed skirt, and I'm just gonna staple the bed skirt to the box spring because I couldn't find the right size fabric. So let's get started. I hope this works. Like I said, I just saw a random video on Pinterest. I feel like all I gotta do is just keep it tight. Oh, I ain't got no staples. Oh, I'll be right back. I'm out of staples. What are y'all gonna do with? All right, let's try this again. I should stay in place. I don't want the white part of the skirt to be showing on the side. I don't think it'll be a big deal. Alright, so I finished stapling all the sides, and now I have regrets because I have to add some extra wood in the corners to support this, and I already did a bunch of stapling in the corner, so now I gotta undo those staples so I can add the wood that I'll be screwing this to. Stay tuned. So this is what I'm trying to accomplish. Now I have this hole. Before, this hole was out there. Now it's out here. Bam. Done. I'm just gonna repeat that for the rest of them. I'll see you in a bit. All right. I think I'm finished like putting in the insects that I'm gonna screw the legs to. I'm struggling. It's not as easy as it looks. The hardest part was getting the staples and stuff out the corner. Girl, I ain't talking to you. Y'all see, I always listen. Oh. But anyway, oh! Alright, anyway, now I'm about to screw in the legs, or attempt to screw in the legs. So it's gonna be a long process, but bear with. Child, when I tell you it's a struggle, believe me. I am extremely thankful that I managed to put all these things in the right direction because they kind of sun at an angle. But anyways, I'm grateful. Here you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The platform. Hey y'all, it's Fiera from the future. So whenever I first started filming this video for the platform bed, I didn't realize that I was going to be separated into 2 parts. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future flips, which includes the second part of this bed. All right, until next time, deuces out.